Hello friends, welcome to Study Hub YouTube channel. Today we discuss about top 50 modern Indian history questions. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch complete video. First question. The Battle of Plassey was fought in. Answer is option A 1757. Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey was fought in northeastern India on 23rd June 1757. The Pune Pact 1932 was an agreement between. Answer is option B Gandhi and Ambedkar. Pune Pact between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Option B correct answer. Important points. Pune Pact year September 24, 1932. The pact signed at Pune. Pune located in Pune, Maharashtra. Who started the first English newspaper in India? Answer is option C. J.A. Hickey. It means James Augustus Hickey. Bengal Gazette was the first English newspaper started by J.A. Hickey in 1780. This newspaper was firstly published in Calcutta located in West Bengal. Next question. Who is regarded as the father of modern India? Answer is option A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, father of modern India. Next question. Who was the viceroy of the time of Quit India movement? Answer is option D. Lord Linlithgow. Lord Linlithgow was the viceroy of the India during the Quit India movement in 1942. Who gave the title of Mahamana to Madan Mohan Malaviya? Answer is option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Mahamana to Madan Mohan Malaviya. Option C correct answer. Next question. Rowlatt Act 1919 was enacted during the period of. Answer is option A. Lord Chelmsford. Option A correct answer. Next question. Who gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? Answer is option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Birth year of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is 31st October 1875. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. First Deputy Prime Minister of India. Bardoli Satyagraha was led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Bardoli Satyagraha movement was started in 1928. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as Iron Man of India. Bardoli Satyagraha movement started year 1928 and led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The policy of doctrine of lapse was introduced by. Answer is option A. Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie served as the Governor General of India from 1848 to 1856. Lord Dalhousie is also known as the father of Indian Railways. Father of Indian Railways. He served as the Governor General of India from 1848 to 1856. Title Maker of Modern India, also known as Father of Indian Railways. In which year the Indian National Congress was formed? Answer is option A 1885. Indian National Congress or INC. Next question. Year of the Battle of Wandiwash is. Answer is option C 1760. Battle of Wandiwash. Option C correct answer. The war concluded with the signing of the Treaty of Paris in 1763. 1763 Treaty of Paris. Next question. First Governor General of Bengal was? Answer is option D. Warren Hastings. First Governor General of Bengal. Option D correct answer. Chauri Chaura incident took place in? Answer is option B. 1922. Chauri Chaura incident 1922. Option B correct answer. The Chauri Chaura incident took place on 4th February 1922 in Chauri Chaura in the Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh state. Gorakhpur district, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who had founded the Deccan Educational Society? Answer is option D. Mahadeva Govinda Ranade. Deccan Educational Society. Option D correct answer. Who founded Prarthana Samaj? Answer is option C. Atmaram Pandurang. Prarthana Samaj Atmaram Pandurang. Option C correct answer. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, founder of Arya Samaj in 1875. Rajaram Mohan Roy, founder of Brahma Samaj in 1828. Swami Vivekananda, founder of Ramakrishna Mission 1897. Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Arya Samaj 1875. Rajaram Mohan Roy, Brahma Samaj 1828. Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Mission 1897. Next question. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of establishment of Indian National Congress? Answer is option D. Lord Dufferin. Next question. Name the person who was also known as Deshbandhu. Answer is option C. Chittaranjan Das or C.R. Das. Important. Chittaranjan Das or C.R. Das. Option C correct answer. He was a freedom fighter and originally belonged to West Bengal. Current CM of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. He was one of the founding member of Swaraj Party. Founder of Swaraj Party is Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Next question. First factory by the Dutch was established at which among the following places? Answer is option B. Masulipatanam, also known as Machilipattanam. Machilipattanam, also known as Masulipatanam. The Dutch founded their first factory in Machilipattanam in Andhra Pradesh in 1605. Machilipattanam, also known as Masulipatanam. Who was introduced Permanent Revenue Settlement of Bengal? Permanent Revenue Settlement of Bengal. Answer is option C. Lord Cornwallis. Next question. When was English education started in India? Answer is option B. 1835, started by Lord William Bentinck. Option B correct answer. Next question. In which year Sabarmati Ashram was established? Answer is option B. 1915. 9 January 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa. Every year, 9 January celebrated on Bharatiya Pravasi Divas. Sabarmati Ashram or Gandhi Ashram is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Manchester of India is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Next question. Who is considered as the father of local self-government in India? Father of local self-government. Answer is option B. Lord Ripon. When did the partition of Bengal take place? Answer is option C. 1905. Partition of Bengal. Option C correct answer. The partition of Bengal was announced on 19 July 1905 by then Viceroy Lord Curzon. However, in 1911 it was withdrawn by Lord Hardinge. Partition of Bengal by Viceroy Lord Curzon and withdrawn by Lord Hardinge. Partition of Bengal year 1905 and withdraw year 1911. Next question. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start the salt satyagraha? Answer is option B, Sabarmati. First British factory in South India was established at. Answer is option B, Masulipatanam. Option B, correct answer. Who first came to India for trading purpose? Answer is option C, Portuguese. The second Carnatic War fought from dash to dash. Answer is option B, 1749 to 1754. Option B, correct answer. First Carnatic War, it took place between 1740 to 1748. Treaty name is Aix-la-Chapelle. Second Carnatic War, it took place between 1749 to 1754. Treaty name is Puducherry in 1754. Third Carnatic War, it took place between 1758 to 1763. Next question. Founder of Satyashodak Samaj. Answer is option A, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Founder of Satyashodak Samaj. Option A, correct answer. Next question. Which of the following newspapers was published by Dadabhai Naoroji? Answer is option A, Voice of India. Newspaper published by Dadabhai Naoroji. Option A, correct answer. In the year 1883, Dadabhai Naoroji started publishing the newspaper The Voice of India from Bombay. He wrote Gulamgiri, one of the first critics of the caste system. It is written in Marathi language. Next question. Who was the leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha? Answer is option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha. Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Home Minister of Free India. This satyagraha was taken place in 1928 due to an increase in tax rate by 22%. Where was the first satyagraha started by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is option C, Champaran. It was started in the Champaran district of Bihar in 1917. This satyagraha was a revolt against the British indigo policy. Champaran district of Bihar in 1917. Next question. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is option A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He was the founder of the Servant of India Society. After Surat split of 1907, he was the leader of the Madras session. Surat split year 1907. To which personality Mahatma Gandhi gave the title Deenbandhu? Answer is option B, C.F. Andrews. Deenbandhu. Option B, correct answer. Personality and their nicknames. C. Rajagopalachari, nickname name is Rajaji. Chittaranjan Das, Deshbandhu. Jayaprakash Narayan Loknayak. Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. Dayanand Saraswati, Martin Luther of India. Dayanand Saraswati, Martin Luther of India. Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. Jayaprakash Narayan Loknayak. Chittaranjan Das or C.R. Das, nickname is Deshbandhu. C. Rajagopalachari, nickname is Rajaji. Mahatma Gandhi started the salt satyagraha in the year dash. Answer is option A, 1930. Salt satyagraha. Salt satyagraha mass started on 12th March 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram and reached Dandi after 24 days on 6 April 1930. Next question. In which year was the All India Muslim League founded? Answer is option B, 1906. All India Muslim League. Who was the Governor General of India when the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? Answer is option C, Lord Chelmsford. He was the Governor General of India when the Jallianwala Bagh massacre 1919 took place. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Amritsar, Punjab. Next question. When did Chauri Chaura incident took place? Answer is option A, 1922. Chauri Chaura is a town in the Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Due to this incident, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement. Next question. Who founded the Swaraj Party? Important question. Answer is option A, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Swaraj Party. Swaraj Party was founded in 1923. The first session of the Swaraj Party was held at Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. When was the Kheda Satyagraha held? Answer is option C, 1918. Kheda Satyagraha. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi organized a satyagraha in Ahmedabad to support the dash. Correct answer is option B, cotton mill workers. The Indian Home Rule movement in September 1916 was launched by. Answer is option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option A correct answer. Gandhiji became the president of Indian National Congress in which session? Answer is option C, 1924 Belgaum session. The first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress was. Answer is option C, Badruddin Tyabji. Muslim president of the Indian National Congress was. Next question. First president of the Indian National Congress was. Answer is option A, W.C. Banerjee. Indian National Congress was formed on 28 December 1885 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Badruddin Tyabji was the first Muslim president of INC. Annie Besant was the first woman president of INC and Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman to become the president of INC. And George Uley was the first English president of INC. Next question. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was associated to which of the following movements of India? Answer is option B, civil disobedience. The agreement was signed by Mahatma Gandhi and Lord Irwin. The pact was signed on 5th March 1931. Who among the following reformers founded Arya Samaj? Answer is option B, Swami Dayanand Saraswati founded Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayananda Saraswati in 1875 in Bombay, Maharashtra. Swami Dayanand Saraswati is known as the grandfather of Indian nation. Who among the following abolished the doctrine of lapse? Answer is option A, Lord Canning. Abolished the doctrine of lapse. Lord Canning abolished the doctrine of lapse. Lord Lytton, the Vernacular Press Act in 1878. Lord Curzon, partition of Bengal in 1905. Lord Reading, Chauri Chaura incident in 1922. Lord Linlithgow, Second World War in 1939. Revision question. First question. The Battle of Plassey was fought in. Answer is 1757. The Pune Pact was an agreement between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Who started the first English newspaper in India? Answer is J.A. Hickey or James Augustus Hickey. Who is regarded as the father of modern India? Answer is Rajaram Mohan Roy. Who was the viceroy of the time of Quit India movement? Answer is Lord Linlithgow. Who gave the title of Mahamana to Madan Mohan Malaviya? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rowlatt Act 1919 was enacted during the period of. Answer is Lord Chelmsford. Who gave the title of Sardara to Vallabhbhai Patel? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. The policy of doctrine of lapse was introduced by. Answer is Lord Dalhousie. Next question. In which year the Indian National Congress was formed? Answer is 1885. The year of the Battle of Wandiwash is 1760. First Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. Chauri Chaura incident took place in 1922. Who had founded the Deccan Educational Society? Answer is Mahadeva Govinda Ranade. Who founded Prarthana Samaj? Answer is Atmaram Pandurang. Next question. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of establishment of Indian National Congress? Answer is Lord Dufferin. Name the person who was also known as Deshbandhu. Answer is Chittaranjan Das or C.R. Das. Next question. The first factory by the Dutch was established at which among the following places? Answer is Masulipatanam. Who was the first English president of Indian National Congress? Answer is George Yule. Bhagat Singh was hanged in which year? Answer is 1931. Who was introduced Permanent Revenue Settlement of Bengal? Answer is Lord Cornwallis. When was English education started in India? English education. Answer is 1835. In which year Sabarmati Ashram was established? Answer is 1915. Who is considered as the father of local self-government in India? Answer is Lord Ripon. When did the partition of Bengal take place? Answer is 1905. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start the salt satyagraha? Answer is Sabarmati. First British factory in South India was established at. Answer is Masulipatanam. Who first came to India for trading purpose? Answer is Portuguese. The second Carnatic War fought from dash to dash. Answer is 1749 to 54. Founder of Satya Shodhak Samaj. Answer is Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Which of the following newspaper was published by Dadabhai Naoroji? Answer is Voice of India. Who was leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha? Answer is Vallabhbhai Patel. Where was the first satyagraha started by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is Champaranya. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. To which personality Mahatma Gandhi gave the title Deen Bandhu? Answer is C.F. Andrews. Mahatma Gandhi started the salt satyagraha in which year? Answer is 1930. In which year was the All India Muslim League founded? Answer is 1906. Next question. Who was the Governor General of India when the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? Answer is Lord Chelmsford. When did Chauri Chaura incident took place? Answer is 1922. Who founded the Swaraj Party? Answer is C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. When was the Kheda Satyagraha held? Answer is 1918. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi organized a Satyagraha Ahmedabad to support the dash. Answer is cotton mill workers. The Indian Home Rule movement in September 1916 was launched by Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question. Gandhiji became the president of Indian National Congress in which session? Answer is 1924 Belgaum session. The first Muslim president of Indian National Congress was answer is Badruddin Tyabji. First president of the Indian National Congress was answer is W.C. Banerjee. The Gandhi-Irvine Pact was associated to which of the following movements of India? Answer is civil disobedience. Who among the following reformers founded Arya Samaj? Answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Who among the following abolished the doctrine of lapse? Answer is Lord Canning. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.